Hey guys, Jesse Hilmandolar from TREBEL. Today we're going to talk about the hero workout, Murph. So Murph's coming up. Murph, for those of you that don't know, is you start off with a 1 mile run, then you come in and you have to partition these however you like. You have to do 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, and then 300 air squats. Once you're done with those movements, then you finish it up with a 1 mile run. So traditionally, most folks, what we found, perform the 1 mile run, and then they'll do 20 rounds of 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, and 15 air squats. So that would get you to your 100, 200, and 300. That's the most popular way of doing it. 20 rounds of the 5, 10, and 15. For some folks that might break it up a little too much, they can go ahead and do 10 rounds of 10 pull-ups, 20 push-ups, and 30 air squats. It's not nearly as popular as the first option that I explained. And then the last option, which is really for the folks that are like super fit, can go through this pretty quick. They get in from the run, and they'll do all 100 pull-ups before they move on to all 200 push-ups, before they move on to all 300 air squats. That's great, works well for most everybody. There's a fourth option that we found that for the folks who maybe struggle with the push-ups a little bit more, works really well. And that's where you're gonna come in from the run and you're gonna do 20 rounds, but you're gonna do 20 rounds of 5 pull-ups, 5 push-ups, 15 air squats, and then finish up the round with 5 push-ups. We find that the kipping pull-up gets a little bit more metabolic and it's not as localized muscular endurance versus the push-up tends to burn folks out a little bit more, and the push-up tends to be more of the limiting factor. So let's went over 4 different options for you. Murph is an insanely difficult workout. Great way to kick off Memorial Day weekend to honor Lieutenant Michael Murphy. If you have any questions about which option you should do, please feel free to reach out to me, and good luck.